Guys, today I will be sharing how to make easy coconut lugs. For the ingredients, we need 1/3 cup of Dutch processed cocoa powder, 1 can or 395 grams of condensed milk, 3 cups of desiccated coconut, and 1.5 cups of powdered milk. So to begin, combine all the ingredients. So that's the desiccated coconut, powdered milk, then sift in the Dutch processed cocoa powder. Give this a quick mix. Now finally, we're going to add the condensed milk. So to begin mixing, use a spatula first. This looks like a very dry dough. So we're going to need a lot of strength to mix this dough. Now to fully combine the dough, we're going to use our hands. It seems dry now, but it will come together. So just keep on pressing until it is well compacted. It's best to use 2 hands to do this process. At this point, the dough has come together. We are now ready to roll this into a log. So I'm going to divide this dough in half. Then with the other half, cut this in half. So all in all, we're going to divide this dough into 8 small pieces. And then with the small piece of dough, we're going to roll it into a cylindrical long stick, about 12 inches. If you don't want to form this into a log, you can also do like a ball shape. Once you get the cylindrical shape, you can cut the dough in 4 pieces equally, just like this, and then roll this into desiccated coconut. And this is basically done. Very easy. One more time. If you find the dough a little bit long, you can trim it down to size. And this is the finished product. I transfer this in a different serving platter. This is really good, and as you can see, it's so easy to make. I can guarantee that you're going to love this. You can also sell this. So just to show you what it looks like inside. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you do like and subscribe to my channel and give this a try. I'll see you again next week. Bye!